Today I'm going to be reviewing this Capybara neon sign. This thing is actually really cool and it's going to be safe to the touch with a 17 volt. So it's going to be friendly if you do put this in your kids' room. Now this thing is really cool because it's a capybara eating ramen noodles. So it's really cute. You could use this actually in a restaurant if you have a ramen noodle place. You could put this in your basement. You could put this in your office, a kid's bedroom, and just make this light up the room. Now a couple things about this that make this really nice. It's made with an acrylic material, so it's going to be really strong and durable, and a flex neon that actually can last up to 50,000 hours. So you don't have to worry about this thing going out. Very reliable. You even have a dimmer on here. So as you can see, I'm dimming this down. You got simple controls. You can turn it on. You can turn it off. You can use this with a power bank. You do have to have an adapter if you do plug this into a outlet because this does use a USB. Just make sure you get an adapter, or you could just plug this into something that does have a USB port already, like your power adapter. Installation's really easy. It does come with a chain, so you can't hang this on the wall. You can also screw this into drywall as well to make it nice and secure. Also comes with a white cable as well. This cable seems to be pretty long. I got this plugged down to an outlet on the ground, so it does have a pretty good length and reach. But let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so here we go. We have the capybara eating the ramen. I love the colors. We got nice blue, like a reddish orange, the noodle color, the chopsticks, the little claws, and the face. Everything just looks so cute. This thing is really cool and it lights up the room. Really nice to see and just brings a lot of color and pop into the room, and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a nice style piece, maybe for your restaurant, your bedroom, your basement, this is definitely something that I recommend. It looks amazing and seems to be high quality. Highly recommend this. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.